Welcome to LUCI. In this video, we'll show you how to use the LUCI device and app, and how it helps you automatically summarize every day. Let's start with the device itself. This is the power button. Press once to turn it on. Press and hold for 5 seconds to power it off. This is the privacy switch. When it's turned off, LUCI immediately stops recording. You're always in control of your privacy. The indicator light shows the device's current status, whether it's standby, recording, or low battery. This is the charging port. LUCI supports charging while in use, so you can wear it comfortably throughout the day. LUCI also features magnets on both sides, making it easy to attach wherever you need. The first step after receiving your LUCI pin is to fully charge the device. Make sure the indicator light is facing upward. Only this side supports charging. A green light on the charging port means the device is charging. A blue light means charging is complete. Make sure it is fully charged before setting up the app. Next, download the LUCI app using the QR code. Follow the on-screen steps to activate and pair your device. Wi-Fi is required to set up your device. You can also use your phone's hotspot if needed. Once activated, turn on automatic upload to access all of LUCI's features. Now you can wear LUCI and go about your day. When there are moments you don't want to record, you have two options. Turn off the privacy switch to stop recording instantly, or remove the LUCI pin and place it in your pocket. Once you're home, turn on LUCI and connect it to power and Wi-Fi to automatically upload your daily data. If you're on hotel Wi-Fi or a network that requires authentication, just turn on your phone's hotspot and let LUCI upload through it. Once the upload is complete, Memories.ai analyzes your entire day automatically. You'll get a daily summary that captures what matters most, a to-do list that highlights what needs to be done, a comic-style recap that lets you revisit your day in a lighter way, daily highlight videos automatically edited from your best moments, an AI-powered Q&A so you can ask questions about your past, like turning last week's conversations into a product PRD. All of this is also available on the Memories.ai web platform. You can explore deeper insights, analyze activities like your training, share moments with friends, or edit videos using natural language. LUCI helps you capture life. Memories.ai helps you understand it, wear it, and let every day be truly remembered.